it's Plan, welcome back. And today we'll be doing the rain effect in Final Cut Pro X. So to start off, you need a video that does not have rain in it, obviously, and that kind of looks like a sunny day or something. Yeah, a plain clip like that. So firstly, what you want to do is just select the clip and press Command 6. Now this will bring up the color board. So what you want to do next is just take the main color switch and drag it around to the blue. Just colorize it a little so that it looks like it's not a sunny day anymore. Around that, change the saturation all you want. Just one thing we need to consider is that it's not a sunny day. Something like that. Yep, I feel that's good. As you can see, we changed this. Change this into this. It's not looking like a sunny day anymore, is it? So anyways, what you want to do next is go to your effects browser and type in rain in the search box. You're going to bring up this and then just drag it onto your video. Now what this is going to do is add a little rain to your video and also color your image. Well, you just want to decolorize the whole thing. Then you can just choose the amount, like how bright you want the rain or how dim you want the rain. All that stuff. You can choose how dense you want the rain, and you can also choose how much rain you want. You can choose if you want the rain high quality or something. So you can just mess around with this, and then you can also choose the angle for the rain. Like if you want the rain sideways or just rain falling downwards, it's completely your choice. So I just think, yeah, I think I just like it that way. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. Now, as you can see, it doesn't give that effect of a rain and all that. So next what you want to do is go to your music browsers and just type in rain. So you can choose which rain fits you. I kind of like that one, so I'm just gonna drag it onto under my video. Just gonna cut it and resize it to the video. Now if you see, it feels more like a rainy day. Much better. But you know what? I want to add a little thunder to it. So let's just go back to the music browser and search for thunder. Now you can choose the thunder or lightning you want. I think I'm going to go with the first one. Then you can just put it wherever you want and check it out how it sounds. I think I would like it in two places. So I'm just gonna copy that and put it there. Now as you can see, when you play the whole thing, it looks like a rainy day, but it's missing something. So what we want to do now is we want to go to our generators tab, go to all and go to custom. Now we want to come to the custom, go to the generator and change the color to white. What you want to do next is Control D and change the duration to 10 milliseconds. Now you want to take this and drag it over to where your thunder starts. Now if you see, this effect is not looking that great. Yeah, that's just looking super ultra fake. So you want to go to this generator, go to the video inspector, go down to the composting and choose the blend mode as overlay. Now what this is going to do is give it a feel that lightning is actually happening in the place. So you can see here, but that doesn't feel very rainy and all that. So I'm just going to Control D again and change the duration to, let's say, 4 milliseconds. Yeah, so let's see how that feels. Oh, that looks amazing. So what you want to do now, you just want to copy this and paste it at your next thunder. So there you have it. Now, as you can see, we have changed this into a very stormy day, just like this. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you like the video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.